Algebra 1, EOC practice test number 29. A quadratic function is given as f of x equals 3x squared plus 24x plus 25. Write the vertex form of the given function. Write your answer in the box provided. All right, so as you know, this is standard form. So we're given A, B, and C. Okay, A is always our quadratic term, B is our linear term, C is our constant term. So we're given A, B, and C, and we're asked to write it in vertex form. Okay, so what is vertex form? Y equals A times x minus h squared plus k. We know this is vertex form because we have a quadratic equation, and when we write it in vertex form, h and k is the vertex. So h and k will be the vertex. All right, so this is what we need. We have A. What we need is h and k. So when we have standard form, we can find the vertex by doing negative b over 2a. So x equals, b is 24, so negative b is negative 24. Over 2 times A is 3. All right, negative 24 divided by 6. Negative 24 divided by 6 is negative 4. All right, so that's our H. All right, so vertex is HK. I already wrote that down here. I just wrote it down again. That's okay. So vertex is now negative 4, and we're still looking for k. All right, so how do we find k? We take the 4, we take the x, and we substitute it in to find our y value. So we're going to have 3 times negative 4 squared plus 24 times 4 plus 25. So y equals, so we're going to have, let's see, 16 times 3 plus 24 times 4 plus 25. So this one's going to be 169. Did I do that correctly? Okay, let me double check that here just to make sure. All right, draw up my calculator here and let's type it in. Second quit. So my equation is 3x squared, so 3 times negative 4 squared plus 24 times negative 4 plus 25. Negative 23. Okay, I see where I went wrong. Always good to double check. I plugged in negative 4, but then I plugged in positive 4. So the answer is negative 23 for this one. All right, so negative 23. All right, so that gives us our H and our K, so negative 23. Now all we have to do is plug it into this formula. So it says write the vertex form. So Y equals, A is 3, that doesn't change. X minus negative 4 makes this a plus 4. And then plus K, and plus a negative 23 can be written as just minus 23. Remember, your vertical movement always moves same as you expect it to, same as the sign. The horizontal movement moves you opposite as you expect it to, or opposite the sign. All right, so for number 29, this would be what you plugged into the blank. Okay, if you want to write it as a function, remember you just have to write it as f of x equals, and then it would be the same thing. 3 times x plus 4 squared minus 23. So these two equations are equivalent. This or this should be counted correct.